How to switch from Xfinity to YouTube TV. Switching from Xfinity to YouTube TV involves canceling your Xfinity TV service, signing up for YouTube TV, and setting up your devices. Follow these steps to make the transition smooth. Step 1. Evaluate your current Xfinity contract. Review your Xfinity TV contract for early termination fees or outstanding balances. Step 2. Cancel Xfinity TV service. Contact Xfinity customer support or log into your Xfinity account online. Request service cancellation for TV while keeping internet service if needed. Step 3. Sign up for YouTube TV. Visit tv.youtube.com from a browser or download the YouTube TV app on your smartphone. Click Try it free or sign up and follow the instructions to create an account. Step 4. Choose a YouTube TV plan. Select the base plan or add premium channels if desired. Complete the payment process using a credit or debit card. Step 5. Set up devices for YouTube TV. Install the YouTube TV app on supported devices, including smart TVs, streaming devices, Roku, Fire TV, Chromecast, game consoles, and mobile devices. Step 6. Sign in to YouTube TV. Open the app on your devices and log in using your Google account credentials. Step 7. Customize your YouTube TV experience. Create multiple profiles for family members. Set favorite channels, record shows, and adjust settings to personalize your viewing experience. Step 8. Return Xfinity equipment, if required. Return Xfinity TV equipment like set-top boxes and remote controls to avoid additional charges.